We call upon the whirlwind, we call upon the thunder, we call upon the spirits who walked before. Mothers who wept, warriors who bled, kings who rose, prophets who burned. Arise, you watchers of Afrika. Arise, ancestral fire. Arise, flame of the Most High.
O Tata Nzambi, creator of all sons, breaker of false gods, judge of lying spirits, we come not with soft songs, but with war cries. Not with empty words, but with fire in our bones. You liars in suits, you shapeshifters behind pulpits, you false healers, you merchants of pain. You who drink blood in shadows, hiding behind candles and crosses, we see you. We strip your illusion, we tear your cloak. Your time is over. You who poison the air, you who whisper into ears at night, you who enslave minds with pills and screens, you who have made pacts to keep us blind, your chains are breaking, the children are waking. Let the drums of the righteous now sound, let every horn blow and every grave shake, let the sick rise, let the blind see, let the forgotten remember. To the possessed we say, you are not crazy, you are not lost, you are a battlefield. To the hunted we say, you are not weak, you are a flame. Let the demons tremble at the name Nzambi. Let the earth crack open beneath sorcerers. Let the forest spit out every spirit who thirsts for blood. Let the mirrors break in every lodge of lies. We curse every altar of darkness. We destroy every tower built on sacrifice. We reverse every hex, every pact, every foul exchange. You shall not feed on our children. You shall not drink from our wells. You shall not breathe in our homes. We call upon fire without smoke. We call upon rain without clouds. We call upon the spirit that needs no name, because it was before names, and it shall be after all names fall to ash. O sons of the soil, O daughters of the sun, you who have suffered, forgotten, enslaved, exile, you are not broken, you are reborn. You are the thunder, you are the roar, you are the judgment. We speak to Babylon. Your time is finished. Your eye cannot cage us. Your poisons will choke your own mouths. Your systems will consume your own children. To the witches who bite babies in dreams, your teeth will rot. To the pastors who preach for money, your tongue will fall silent. To the world leaders who bow to Satan, the fire will find you. Your gold will become ash. This is the hour of reversal. This is the hour of terror for them. For us, this is the hour of awakening. We do not fight with knives, we fight with vision, we fight with spirit, we fight with rage born from love. And the power walking beside us is not flesh, it is storm. O Tata Nzambi, seal us in light so strong no darkness can reach. Let the children walk through fire and not burn. Let the chosen wear shadows like armor. Let us stand at the gates of every city and speak one word and walls fall. This is our spell against them. May every ritual of evil turn back on its master. May the blood they spilled scream against them. May their fake smiles melt into screams. May the ground reject their bodies. May the spirits of the trees whisper their names to the wind for judgment. We are the storm they feared. We are the rage they tried to silence. We are the dream that returns with fists of flame. We are the last generation and the first to remember. This is not a prayer. This is a war call. Let the demons flee, let the heavens roar. Let every soul marked by Tata Nzambi rise up and say, walk with the Most High, and you shall not touch me. The earth is ours, Africa is the exile. The fire shall not die. This is the end of your kingdom.